If you love fresh juice, you're going to want to invest in the best juicers. Juicers are one of those appliances you never thought you'd need until you try it. These machines provide freshly squeezed juice in a matter of minutes and all at the touch of a button. In today's video, we're going to check out the best juicers in 2022. Number 5. NutriBullet Slow Juicer. Many want to opt for a slow juicer to extract the most fiber as possible from their fruits, but they can be an expensive choice. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer may be less costly, but it performs well on fruits. Small and well-built, this compact juicer doesn't take up much space at all and has few components, making assembly easy. There's a single on/off switch with the 150 motor running at a constant speed for all fruit and veg. Thanks to its 3-in wide chute, you shouldn't need to cut most vegetables. Juice extraction is generally good, although a touch heavy on the pulp, and leafy greens can get pulled through the system without any juice extraction. Number 4. Breville, the 3X Bluicer Blender. The Breville, the 3X Bluicer combines a blender and a juicer in one smart machine. It has removable attachments for blending and juicing, and you can use the blender pitcher to catch all the juice from the juicer spout. You could then even blend some ice or fresh fruit into your juice for delicious drinks and frozen cocktails. We were very impressed by the blending modes on the Breville, the 3X Bluicer, but the juicing wowed us. It has 5 juicing speeds with illustrations of different fruits and vegetables to help you choose the right one, as well as a diagram to show you which mode to use for which ingredients. Number 3. Hurom HP Slow Juicer. We put the Hurom HP Slow Juicer to the test and enjoyed its ability to make personal-sized juices without taking up the whole kitchen counter. It comes in a few sweet colors including mint, pink, and cream, and the dimension may fit into your cupboards depending on their dimensions. It measures 97.6 and x 6.9 and x 15.5 in total. Slow juicers are known for low pressure and prolonged juicing, but despite its 43 RPM, we found it delivered juice fast and in generous volumes compared to other juicers on the market. Centrifugal juicers will often leave you with damp pulp, but everything with the HP Slow Juicer was dry. Number 2. NutriBullet Juicer Pro Centrifugal Juicer Machine. New to juicing? The NutriBullet NBJ 50200 Juicer Pro could be the best juicer for beginners. It comes with everything you need, including a freezer tray, a pitcher with froth separator, 2 glass-to-go bottles, and a cleaner brush and recipe manual. With a 1000-watt motor, the NutriBullet NBJ 50200 Juicer Pro is a powerful option. Its wide chute can fit plenty of fruits and vegetables without the need to chop. The pitcher can be sealed to make juice ahead of when you want to drink it, and it's large enough to make family-sized drinks. Number 1. Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer. One of the big problems with masticating juicers is that you have to cut fruit into small chunks. The Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer EVO 820 aims to solve that with its wider 3.22 in feeding chute. While you still need to cut fruit and remove seeds, you can put bigger chunks in, so get results faster, which is great news, particularly if you're making drinks for multiple people. As with all masticating juicers, operation is really easy. Turn the machine on and push fruit through the machine.